Hello, people that like to eat food. Today we're at the Tesco, it's called Lotus's. It's a food court here for Lotus's at Ratchadaphisek, and it's in a building called Fortune Town. And Fortune Town is a shopping mall of like IT stuff, computers and phones and all the gear related to that. So a couple years ago they redid this food court, so it's all pretty nice and clean now. But there's this Chinese noodle shop that I like to go to, and so I thought I'd just share it with you because it's a pretty nice, inexpensive meal. So it's called Ming Yuan Noodle, and here's the prices. You have original rice noodles, 59 baht, hot and sour. I wasn't that impressed with that one, to be honest with you. Minced pork, pickled vegetables, beef rice noodle, and then pork intestine rice noodles. So basically 59 baht, which is like $2, up to 99 baht, which is like $3. And well, let me show you how big a bowl of noodles is. I'm probably just gonna get the basic one today because I already ate this morning. And this place is cash only. The food court itself is you have to go to this cash card place if you want to eat at the food court. So this is the Lotus's main entrance right here. And then they have a couple food stalls out here as well. Cash only. Okay, you original? Check. Yeah, Gentonik up. Check up. Just put the money up here. So they also seem to have some meats in a vacuum bag. Plum juice. So they have some noodles already like soaking in water back there. And then let's see what's going on in this thing. Oh, yeah, she's boiling up some noodles, nice and hot. She also has this Chinese, like, pancake thing for 30 baht. Yeah, your tea nut cup. Chili sauce.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay.
Get sick off of them. You know, all the bacteria is killed by this super hot soup. Okay, cup of cup. Let me go find a table. Just got a refill drink here at the food court. I'm gonna skip the straw. There's enough pollution in the ocean from straws. I can drink out of a cup like a man. So utensils in a food court here, typical. You have a hot water bath here to sterilize. And then I gotta get some chopsticks as well. Okay. Alright, we got some napkins here. So for 59 baht, it's a pretty decent sized bowl of noodles here. I mean, here's my hand, right? It's pretty tall too, this bowl. This could be like a half a kilo of noodles, actually. Seems like a pretty good amount. And it also seems like there's two kinds of noodles. There's like a reddish or brown noodle, and then a regular tan noodle. Actually looks like spaghetti. That broth has a lot of flavor. Just try this broth here. It's a little bit of spice because she put in the chili peppers. She did ask though. Maybe a lot of people don't like it spicy, but I do. And these pickled vegetables, so some flavors are combining if you mix it up. Yeah, it's very good. It's not a mala though. It's a little spicy, but it's not like a Szechuan mala. The noodles are cooked al dente. They're not mushy, but they're not hard either, so she cooked them just the right amount. There's also some peanuts in here. Very good. Alright, I've eaten half the bowl. I just thought I'd come back and tell you. It's kind of like a mala, but not spicy like a mala. There's a little bit of spice, but it doesn't have the Szechuan peppers in there. It gives you that, like, I don't know, zingy numbiness to your face. But some of the pickled vegetables, I believe, are a little bit sour because they're pickled. So the soup has a slight sourness to it. It's very rich because the oil in there, and I think this is like a little bit of pork, that little hot vat that she put in there. But it's very good. So a little bit spicy, a little bit sour, and definitely oily, and a really rich flavor. I have another video on a New Bin Chongqing noodle place, and that place is more like mala, where it numbs your mouth with the Szechuan peppers. They're both good, so I suggest try both of them. But this one is a little bit less expensive, at least this basic one, for 59 baht. I've been here before. Eventually I'm going to try every flavor that they have, and I suggest if you're around Ratchada or Fortune Town, come and check this one out. Alright, thanks for watching today. I'll see ya.